we're making carrot cake for our daddy's birthday. We're using Maya whole wheat carrot cake. What's first?
What course? Okay, first of all, dali na.
First of
Basahin mo
all.
yung ano, Kabi. You make this one now.
1 pack of Maya whole wheat
I-mash mo yun.
hard carrot cake mix 400 grams.
Yan, yun. Open mo yun.
Ang hirap. Yako na. Ay, yes.
Banana bread. Kasi
Banana bread?
Ay, banana. Pwede natin siya bigyan ng banana. Pakita mo, Jay. Ano lang akong water.
Okay, now.
Get mo akong water, Kobe.
Dito yung water doon sa Maggie. Ay! Mapwede na to.
Sige, mash mo pa. Ito yung 400
Na ako?
400 gram na
Sakyan.
Maya carrot cake mix.
Buo yan? Kala ko dalawa sila.
Wala dyan mo makita. Yung baso yung plastic lang. Baka mabasag mo yung babasagin.
Kaya ko naman.
Mix mo natin.
Naman, na-mash na.
Gio, yun, sabihin mo.
So, what we're gonna do is 1 cup of vegetable oil.
Oh!
1 cup of vegetable
After nito, nasan yung baso? Nasan yung water ko? Ayan na lang, yung ano na lang, yung tumbler ni CJ. May water yun.
Hindi ko naman tumbler yun eh.
Tapos,
Ay,
lagyan
kaya na
natin
doon.
ng 1/3 cup.
Ako mag-mix. Please.
1/3 cup of oil.
1 or third, 1 or 3.
1/3 cup.
Ano yung 1/3?
1/3.
1
Yan. Ayan o, 1/3 cup.
Ah.
Ayan o. Looks. Oh. Jay, yun na lang ako dito kaya kang tayo. After
Guys,
that,
get up.
1/3 cup of
Milk.
milk.
Oh, wait lang.
Thank you, Jacobino. After that,
May ko magbantay ko eh.
2 eggs.
Can I crack the egg? Please.
Nasaan yung water?
Yeah. First egg. Crack. 2 eggs, di ba? Wala nang hawan yung ano guys. Oh no.
Tapos, Jay.
Can you bantay-bantay this?
Carrots.
Lahat?
Oo. Ay!
Oh no. Sige, carrots na. Okay. Put that in the sink. Give me that.
Wait lang.
Who's gonna mix?
After mixing, lagyan na natin to.
Banana.
Banana.
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana.
Look at Jacob, guys.
Okay, another.
I'm using that.
No, ito muna, Jay.
Ako muna ba?
Ito lang dapat,
Can
hindi
I
pala
mix?
pwede yun.
Can I mix? Oh. Do not overmix. No?
Preheat lang natin to kasi...
What's a preheat? Don't touch me.
Wow! Yun lang yun.
No.
Low-fat cream cheese. 1 low-fat cream
We
cheese.
have small cream cheese.
Yeah, 1/2 cup of sugar substitute. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then beat.
We have
Okay, we're going to make a...
Wait, I'm mixing.
Okay. Show it mo sa camera.
This all.
Wow!
Why does it actually...
Good job!
Why does it look... Want to try to mix? No. Ayaw mo? Mag-mix ka daw. Huwag yan. Ito mix mo. Ito mix mo. You like it?
Yeah,
so good! Guys, looks like peanut butter. We're gonna put the butter in here.
Kamasa mo dyan, lalawin mo. Puta, may usi eh. Tama ba yung ginawa natin na naman?
Finished product without the cream cheese.
Nakagawa na kami ng, what's this, Jay?
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese topping. Or the carrot cake.
Lalagay na namin yung cream cheese. Icing din. Franco. Ay, kung mag-ikot na. Nalagay ko
Sa
na.
taas muna, sa taas lang. Hindi.
Ano yan?
Hindi lang yung properly.
O, tama na yan. Ayaw. Oh.
Sige, ikot mo. Ay, copy to! Huwag malakas.
Ako. Si Jacob daw mag-ikot.
Sige, ikot mo.
Bilis na. Kako na yung
Hindi mo na. Kasi hindi ko
para malinis yung tsura ng cake natin. Parang hindi eh.
Okay na, kahit ganyan lang siya. Mas importante masarap siya. Tama na, Jay. Huwag baka madumihan mo sa baba. Kainin mo na yung sobra mo dyan. Di? Pinyana ni? Nana?
Ay, ko na to.
Okay.
Nakaam ng cake!
Okay, right.
Mama, I like it. And I like it. Ano na yun? Alam ko nga po. Daddy, cake for daddy. Diba, teka? Siya na. Daddy yun. Ito ko siya.
Wala naman share dito.
Share dito. Share. Liya Bumbum ngayon bago Share Bumbum.
Kaya si Lia Bumbim.
Bumbim? Sino siya? Bumbum. Ano ko yung mama? Si Bubu. Si Bubu, Palubu.
Si Marco Bubo.
Si Bongbong, BBM. Si Marco ma, BBM pangalan niya. Alam mo bakit? Marco Buibuy.
Kailangan na natin rep kasi baka malusaw. That's all for today. This is our carrot cake. What will you say to the carrot cake? It's so yummy.
Can I have a peppermint? Yeah! Walang plastic na. Buta ba yan?
Ito. Ang dami, ang dami, oh.
Ito po.
Kumain kutsara.
Yeah. Hindi, kahit kami na lang.
Kutsara.
Kumain.
Jay, paano yung madumi? Madumi yan eh. Done. Carrot cake for daddy.
May daddy, for Jollibee, Jollibee. Ganda, baby.
See, nagamit pa namin yung pinaglagyan namin ng
Blueberry cake. Birthday to you.
Malakas! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Oh, blow, 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 blow! What will you say to daddy?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, daddy!
Yay!